Hi guys, upgrade of my DC 12 volt power station. So this is kind of my first version. So you can have a 12 volt 15 amp outlet. Um, but the 15 amp, it's just a regular plug outlet. So regular plug, the maximum is a 15 amp. So that's my first version. And then this is my new version. So this is have a 30 amp. Uh, so this one has a 30 amp outlet. 12 volt 30 amp outlet. It's big current. Can support much larger motors. Like the power wheel, the case plate with power wheel. That's 12 volt, and most 12 volt trolley motor. With 30 amp, you definitely can use with this power station for your trolley motor as well. Some old scooters, that's 12 volt. Yeah, many bigger stuff, because this is can support 30 amp outlet. You can use this to power up with whatever the battery you have. Another thing is on this design. So basically, my basic power station is always made for this 80 volt batteries, and then I can link to the different adapter to fit different batteries. So basically the converter can support from 40 volt to 90 volt. So any kind of battery in that range, you can always convert to a 12 volt. But for the basically, I have the terminal right here, which is fit directly with the 80 volt, will be plugged in like this. So, and then with a different battery, I just put different adapters. So this is the adapter fit on the Eagle batteries. It's pretty simple. You just hook up here and screw in from here. 2 screws to hold these adapters with converter. That will be it. And you can add 2 adapters. You can even add 3 adapters on this side as well. Yeah, that's pretty convenient. You can definitely add more batteries. If you need a longer power. Not like this version. This is a pretty much fixed terminal right here. So each different battery you have to print a different fitting for the different batteries. And right now this is much better because the basic version always fit 80 volt, and I just use adapter to fit different batteries. And also I added this circuit break. So the circuit break is much better than this fuse. So this is a fuse. So whenever you trigger the circuit break, it just break down. So not like a fuse. Whenever you trigger the fuse, you have to replace the fuse. So that's another upgrade. And then you have a 30 amp outlet from here. So you just unscrew those screws and put a wire goes in there and tie them up. So red is a positive and black is a negative. And also regular 12 volt outlet as well. For those kind of application, the maximum is only 15 amp. And from here, because you think about the 30 amp is really big current. You have used very big wires. You can see how it look when you plug 2 adapters, 2 batteries. So if I can plug, I'll make sure I turn it off. Yeah, I'll turn it off. And I can plug 1 batteries. It will be look like this. So that's how it look on the 1 batteries. Okay. and then I can plug another batteries on top. So that's what it looks like with two batteries. Like I said, if you even want more battery plug in, you can actually install another adapter right here to plug another battery from this way. And when you plug in, and then you can turn it on. Simple, turn it on. And then when it's turned on, so this actually have little light. Probably won't see from the camera. But if I, plug a USB cable, it will power up my phone. Dong, charging. Okay, yeah, and also can check on the voltage from here. Or we can just go through from here. Okay, and this is the positive and negative. You can see from here. Positive and negative. 12 and 93. Yeah. And it has a 30 amp outlet. Yeah. So, like I say, if you use this for the trolling motor, and those two batteries is much stronger than 12-volt car batteries. So this is a smaller but more power than your regular 12-volt car batteries. But of course, this battery is more expensive than a car battery as well. But think about if you already have tools for Eagle batteries, then you can use this battery to power up many bigger motor with this 12-volt power station. That's the advantage of this. So right now, I'll plug this off. So right now, I pretty much fed up the Eagle battery product line, and I have basic adapters to grab the power from Eagle battery, and then the adapters for the e-bag. I'm planning to actually make the e-bag kit, which include controller and motors to actually just fit on the Eagle e-bag, just fit on the Eagle batteries to convert your regular bags to the e-bag. And then this is a 12-volt power station, and as Eagle itself, they have bigger power station to AC power. So you put one battery over here. So you power on this one. Yeah, if you have a Eagle battery, see, you can have a completely Eagle way to power up your equipment. And yeah, Eagle is kind of pretty big brand, so many people already has Eagle batteries, Eagle power tools, and then you definitely can add on much more usable for the Eagle batteries. Like I said, this battery is way expensive than regular car batteries. Why not? You don't want to waste for those batteries. And this battery has a long warranty than your car battery as well. So yeah, like a regular car battery, they usually probably only stay maybe 2 years, 3 years. That's about it. And those battery, at least you can use 5 year to 10 years. Think about the Tesla. Tesla have a 10-year warranty on the batteries, and so the Eagle battery, I think they have 5 year warranties on the battery as well. So yeah, this is a much stronger battery, much usable batteries as well. So you definitely can use the Eagle battery to power up many of your toys. Yeah, that's my idea. If you already have this battery, you definitely want to use this battery for more applications. So hope my product can actually help you on those things. Thanks. We'll see you next time.